Hello and welcome to OneShub video tutorials. My name is Rima. I am a part of support team here at OneShub. In today's video, we will see how to customize customer notifications for your booking pages. So customer notifications are the notifications that your customers receive once they have booked a meeting with you, like booking confirmation email, the reminders, all the follow-ups, booking cancellation emails, all sorts of emails. So let's get started. You would first need to sign into your OneSub account and then click on booking pages from here on the left hand side. Then hover over to the icons on the left and go to notification templates editor. Now this is the template which is there by default. So at the top you will see there's an option of notification scenario. From here you would first need to choose the scenario for which you are going to create the template. It has all sorts of types of notification, the reminders, a calendar event, booking cancellation email. So we'll just make a template for automatic booking for customer notification. Once you have selected the scenario, next step is to create a new custom template and name it. Once done, then you select whether it's going to be a blank template. So you'll have to start from scratch or you want it based on a default template. So it just duplicates the default template and you just made the changes into the existing one. Now, once the template is created, we'll click on convert to custom template. And once done, then it is ready to be edited. On the right hand side, there are some of predefined dynamic fields. So if you want to include either of these fields in the template, you will simply select that and it will be added. Then you can modify email notification as well as SMS notification if in case you use the text notifications. So we'll just edit the email notification for now. I'll just make some small changes. And let's say we don't want the additional guest field, so I'm going to remove it. And I'll just remove this last part and add some note. So I made some changes. I'll save this template. Next step would be to apply template on your booking pages. So we'll go back to the overview section. Now there are two things. If you're using booking pages with event types or using booking pages without event types. If you're using it with event types, then you would open that particular event type, go to customer notification, first select the scenario since we made a template for automatic booking. So from the drop down, I'll choose the template I created and save. If you're using booking pages without event type, so you will directly open the booking page and it will have the same option of customer notification. And from the drop down, we will select the template we created and done. Now let's just open our booking link and test out the notification. And done. Now, while the meeting is being scheduled, we'll just wait and then go to our inbox to check the notification and see if the template was applied. Okay, the meeting has been booked. We will just quickly go to our notification and okay, so to meet you, this has been updated. The field of additional guest is removed and the note that we added at the end is there. So this is how you modify the customer notification for your booking pages. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.